If you're looking for a long-range explorer yacht, then today's DeFever 63 could be the boat for you. Welcome aboard Miss Jane 2. My name's Jason Soulos from Leigh-Smith Yachts. So the boat's benefited from all the major servicing, such as heat exchangers and hoses and belts required. Also, an absolute winner is that it has a new genset with less than 300 hours on it. So to add comfort while underway, we've got Yacht stabilisers, just what you need when you're out in the open sea. Powered by Caterpillar 3208 engines, naturally aspirated, rated at 210 horsepower, this boat is exceptionally economical. With 7,000 litres of fuel and cruising at say 8 knots, we've got a range of over 1,500 nautical miles. The unique feature of the DeFever 63 is this aft deck area. Direct access from the saloon, undercover. This boat has 1, 2, 3 living zones. So stepping in from the rear cockpit into the main saloon, and what you'll love about this area is it's a full beam saloon area. So we've got heaps of breadth, heaps of length, great headroom. This is made for entertaining and perfect for long voyages on board. How good is it to have a galley that's not only up but also forward? You don't miss out on anything when you're on the DeFever 63. This galley has a perfect vista. You're very much a part of this voyage. Fully equipped with stove, oven, microwave, 3 fridges and freezers. This is a great place to be, and plenty of bench space for food preparation. When it comes to sleeping accommodation, with the master full beam located aft, so whisper quiet when on anchor. And 3 cabins forward, sleeping another 7. So we sleep 9 in total. But also we benefit from 2 lounges that convert to double beds in the main saloon. How good is that? So here we are on top of the 63 DeFever. This flybridge area can accommodate anything up to 20 guests. We have a beautiful table here. We've got seating for near on 20 people. Electric barbecue up here, refrigeration, cover. This is a great place to be, a great place to entertain. So here we are at the helm. We've got upgraded Raymarine screens, 3 in fact. Bow and stern thrusters with remote control, digital throttles. There's a lot of control here. So there you have it, the DeFever 63. Safe, reliable, long distance explorer cruiser. This is a family boat that you will create memories with. If you'd like to know more, contact the team at Leigh-Smith Yachts.